On TechVerse, we're breaking down 20 table saw accessories under $100 that can completely change how accurate, safe, and smooth your cuts feel. These aren't luxury upgrades. Each accessory solves a real table saw problem. And every product you see today has its Amazon link ready in the description. If you want better results from the table saw you already own, don't skip this list. It's built for smart upgrades, not overspending. VEVOR miter gauge with fence extension. Accurate crosscuts are where most table saw frustrations begin. And a solid miter gauge with a fence extension can change that immediately. The VEVOR miter gauge with fence extension is designed to provide better support for longer workpieces, reducing drift during cuts. In real woodworking use, it helps keep boards square when cutting face frames, shelves, or repeated trim pieces. The extended fence offers more contact area, which improves control and consistency. Angle adjustments are straightforward, making it practical for daily shop work. If you want cleaner, more reliable crosscuts without upgrading your entire saw, this accessory delivers noticeable accuracy at a smart price. VEVOR miter gauge without extension fetting. Not every cut needs a long fence, but it still needs accuracy you can trust. The VEVOR miter gauge without the extension fence is designed as a compact, precise upgrade over most stock miter gauges. In real table saw use, it's ideal for cross-cutting smaller parts, trimming joinery pieces, and handling quick angle cuts without extra bulk. The solid bar fit helps reduce side-to-side play in the miter slot, which improves repeatability. Angle settings are easy to dial in for common cuts. If you want better control and accuracy than a factory gauge without spending much, this miter gauge is a smart, affordable improvement. INCRA V27 miter gauge. When repeatable accuracy becomes more important than speed, a precision miter gauge makes a clear difference. The INCRA V27 miter gauge is designed with positive angle stops that lock in common angles without drifting. In real table saw use, this is especially helpful for picture frames, boxes, and joinery where small angle errors ruin the fit. The smooth miter bar helps reduce play in the slot, improving consistency across repeated cuts. Setup is quick, and adjustments stay solid once locked. If you want dependable, repeatable angle accuracy without constant rechecking, this miter gauge brings precision you can rely on. Milescraft Grabber Pro Push Block. Keeping hands safely away from the blade while maintaining control is critical on a table saw. The Milescraft Grabber Pro Push Block is designed to grip the workpiece firmly from above while guiding it smoothly past the blade. In real woodworking use, it's especially useful for narrow rips, beveled cuts, and thin stock where traditional push sticks feel unstable. The ergonomic handle improves control, while the replaceable gripping pads help maintain traction. Using it consistently reduces hesitation during cuts, which actually improves accuracy. If you want safer, more confident feeding without sacrificing control, this push block delivers protection you can trust. MICROJIG GRR-RIPPER 3D Push Block. Precision and safety often compete at the table saw, and this push block is designed to balance both. The MICROJIG GRR-RIPPER 3D Push Block allows controlled downward, inward, and forward pressure during cuts. In real woodworking use, it's commonly used for narrow rips, thin strips, and precision work where hands need to stay well clear of the blade. The adjustable design lets you customize the grip based on stock width and cut type. This control improves cut quality while reducing kickback risk. If you want confident, repeatable cuts in situations where safety matters most, this push block delivers professional-level control. Thin rip jig for table saw. Cutting consistent thin strips safely is one of the trickiest table saw operations, and a thin rip jig is built specifically for that job. This Peachtree-style thin rip jig mounts to the fence and sets the distance from the blade accurately, allowing repeatable thin rips without trapping the workpiece between the blade and fence. In real woodworking use, it's ideal for edge banding, inlays, and small trim pieces where consistency matters. Once set, every strip comes out the same width, with less risk and less adjustment. If you want safer, precise thin rips without guesswork, This jig delivers controlled, repeatable results. Featherboard pair for table saw, Magswitch, or T-saw. Consistent pressure against the fence is what keeps cuts straight and kickback under control. A featherboard pair designed for table saws applies steady lateral pressure to the workpiece as it moves past the blade. In real woodworking use, these featherboards help maintain alignment during ripping, especially on long boards or slightly bowed stock. Whether mounted using Magswitch magnets or a T-slot, setup is quick and adjustments are easy between cuts. The result is smoother feed, cleaner edges, and more confidence at the saw. If you want safer cuts with better consistency, featherboards quietly improve every rip you make. Universal zero clearance insert for table saw. Tear out around the blade opening is one of the easiest ways to ruin an otherwise clean cut. A universal zero clearance insert is designed to support the wood fibers right up to the blade, reducing chip out on both sides of the cut. In real table saw use, it makes a noticeable difference when ripping plywood, cutting hardwoods, or working with thin stock. It also prevents small offcuts from dropping into the blade cavity, which improves safety. Once fitted, cuts look cleaner and more controlled. If you want sharper edges and fewer finishing fixes, this insert is a simple upgrade with immediate payoff. Table saw blade height and angle gauge. Dialing in blade height and bevel angle by eye almost always leads to small errors that show up later in the cut. A table saw blade height and angle gauge is designed to give precise digital readings directly from the blade surface. In real woodworking use, it helps you set exact blade height for dados, grooves, and through cuts, and confirm bevel angles before you ever touch the wood. This saves time on test cuts and reduces wasted material. Setup is quick, and readings are easy to trust. If you want repeatable accuracy every time you change a setup, this gauge makes precision effortless. 1-2-3 setup blocks. 1-2-3 block set. Reliable machine setup starts with known reference dimensions, and a 1-2-3 block set provides exactly that. These precision machine blocks are designed to measure 1 inch, 2 inches, and 3 inches, allowing quick, repeatable setups. In real table saw use, they're commonly used to set blade height, fence distance, or dado depth without guessing. Because the blocks don't compress or flex, measurements stay consistent across multiple passes. They're also useful beyond the table saw for router tables and drill presses. If you want faster setups with fewer test cuts, this block set delivers accuracy you can trust every time. Dado throat plate / insert for table saw. Standard throat plates leave wide gaps that cause tear out and let small offcuts fall dangerously close to the blade. A dado throat plate is designed specifically to support wider dado stacks and provide better control during groove cutting. In real woodworking use, it keeps workpieces stable when cutting dados, rabbets, and grooves, especially in plywood or hardwood panels. The improved support leads to cleaner shoulders and more consistent depth. It also increases safety by reducing blade exposure below the table surface. If you cut dados regularly, this insert is a simple upgrade that delivers cleaner results and safer operation. Sacrificial fence for table saw. Certain cuts demand extra clearance and zero tear out, and that's where a sacrificial fence becomes essential. A clip-on sacrificial fence is designed to mount directly over your existing table saw fence, allowing you to bury the blade partially into the fence itself. In real woodworking use, this is especially helpful for rabbets, bevel cuts, and working with thin or delicate stock. It also protects your main fence from blade contact. Setup takes seconds, and once installed, cuts feel more controlled and predictable. If you want cleaner edge cuts and more flexibility without modifying your saw, this accessory delivers practical control at a low cost. Crosscut sled hardware kit T-track. Runners. Hardware. A good crosscut sled turns a table saw into a precision cutting station, and this hardware kit gives you everything needed to build one properly. In real woodworking use, the kit provides accurately sized runners, T-tracks, and mounting hardware that help the sled slide smoothly without side play. This stability makes square crosscuts, repeatable stop cuts, and small part handling far safer and more accurate than using a miter gauge alone. Once installed, the Sled becomes a go-to jig for daily tasks. If you want cleaner crosscuts and safer control without buying a pre-built sled, this kit delivers the foundation you need. T-Track Kit for table saw jigs. As your table saw setups get more advanced, adjustable jigs become essential. A T-Track kit is designed to add flexible mounting options to sleds, fences, and custom jigs. In real woodworking use, T-Tracks allow you to attach stops, hold downs, and accessories that can be repositioned quickly without rebuilding the jig. This makes repeat cuts faster and more accurate. Once installed, adjustments feel controlled instead of improvised. If you enjoy building custom jigs or want your setups to adapt to different projects, this kit adds long-term versatility to your table saw system. Height adjustable outfeed roller stand. Long boards are hardest to control right after they leave the blade, and that's where an outfeed roller stand becomes critical. A height-adjustable outfeed roller stand is designed to support stock as it exits the table saw, preventing it from tipping or dragging during the cut. In real woodworking use, this helps maintain consistent feed pressure and reduces strain on the operator. The adjustable height lets you fine-tune alignment with your saw table for smooth operation. It's especially useful when working alone with long or heavy boards. If you want safer cuts and better control on larger stock, this stand delivers stability that pays off immediately. Universal Table Saw Mobile Base. Once a table saw is set up, moving it usually feels like a chore that risks throwing everything out of alignment. A universal table saw mobile base is designed to solve that by adding stable wheels without sacrificing rigidity during use. In real woodworking shops, it allows you to reposition the saw for better workflow, cleaning, or space management, especially in small garages or shared spaces. When locked in place, the base keeps the saw steady and secure during cuts. If you need flexibility in your shop layout without giving up stability or accuracy, this mobile base makes your table saw far more practical to live with. Magnetic Featherboard for table saw. Keeping steady pressure on the workpiece is one of the easiest ways to improve both safety and cut quality. A magnetic featherboard is designed to lock firmly onto cast iron table saw tops and apply consistent pressure against the stock as it passes the blade. In real woodworking use, it helps prevent kickback, reduces vibration, and keeps boards tight to the fence during rip cuts. Adjustment is quick, which makes it easy to reposition between cuts. Because it doesn't rely on clamps or slots, setup feels fast and clean. If you want smoother, more controlled cuts with less effort, this featherboard quietly improves every rip you make. Push stick and push block safety set. Safe feeding is what keeps table saw work consistent and stress-free, especially during narrow or awkward cuts. A push stick and push block safety set is designed to keep your hands well away from the blade while maintaining full control over the workpiece. In real woodworking use, these tools help guide stock through rip cuts, finish narrow strips, and maintain downward pressure where fingers shouldn't go. Different shapes handle different situations, which improves both safety and accuracy. Using them regularly builds better habits at the saw. If you want safer cuts without sacrificing control, this safety set is a must-have. Boeshield T9 Rust and Corrosion Protectant. A table saw only stays accurate when its surfaces stay clean and smooth. Boeshield T9 is designed to protect cast iron tops, blades, and metal parts from rust and corrosion. In real woodworking shops, it's commonly applied to table saw tops to prevent moisture damage and keep stock sliding smoothly during cuts. The protective film reduces friction without leaving a sticky residue that attracts dust. Regular use also helps preserve fence rails and miter slots. If you want your table saw to stay smooth, accurate, and rust-free year-round, this protectant quietly extends the life and performance of your equipment. Budget Table Saw Dust Collection Hood / Overarm Guard. Dust coming off the top of the blade is one of the biggest problems standard table saw setups never fully solve. A budget overarm dust collection hood is designed to capture that dust right where it's created, above the blade, while also acting as a protective guard. In real woodworking use, it helps keep fine dust out of the air during ripping and cross-cutting, especially when cutting plywood or MDF. It improves visibility at the cut line and reduces cleanup time after long sessions. If you want cleaner air and better dust control without spending big money, this accessory delivers real, noticeable improvement. If this video helped you find smart, affordable upgrades for your table saw, hit like so other woodworkers can find it too. Drop a comment and tell us which accessory made the biggest difference in your shop, or which one you plan to add next. And for honest, no-hype woodworking tool guides that actually improve how you work, subscribe to TechVerse, because smarter accessories lead to safer cuts and better results.